Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with something a little different. So Penny's Crafty Creations has been doing this hashtag 12 on 12. So on the 12th of the month, you alter an envelope and it has to follow these themes, prompts that she's come up with. I have not done this collab in the past, so this is April and it's my first month, and I have done beaches slash summer. I've only altered one envelope. I have a bunch of envelopes and bags and all this stuff in my junk journaling massive pile that I need to go through. Anyway, I was going through scrap papers today to send some to someone that's in need of some crafty stuff, and I found this kind of a paper, except that the ones I found had beachy colors, and I had a long strip, and it worked perfectly as the base for the front of my envelope. And I also found this A Year to Remember 2023 pocket calendar or purse calendar. It's from I think Disabled Veterans of America, I think. Does it say it on here? Anyway, I picked all the images are exactly the same, which I didn't know until I opened it. And I used July, the bottom part here, on the back of the envelope, and as well as some more of the paper. And these two washies, I don't remember. I think I got this. I don't remember. I'm not going to say. I think I got it at Alternate, but I'm not positive. And this one, I also don't know where I got. This was the label on it, but I don't know where that's from. But I thought it looked like waves, so I kind of used it just to hold the calendar page in place. And then also I used a couple of these stickers, not many. This napkin, Hello Summer. This napkin just for like two little sailboats in one of those. I didn't use that one. I didn't use that one. And I did use this beach neutral for the shells, and also there's a lighthouse in here. Down here you can see I still have color on. I used my Tombow, they're water-based markers, so I don't know how good that is. But here's what I did. This was like a business size envelope because that's mostly what I get that I can use. It was a window envelope, so this background was all the sheet of paper that came out of the originally came out of the same pack as what I not that one as the ones I showed you. That oops, that where's the one that had the beachy stuff on it? And that, see, that's part of the same paper. Yeah, so I have no idea where I got that calendar either. It must have come in the mail. You know how they are asking for money and stuff. My mom, I think, used to give to them, and since I was doing her finances, it started coming to me, but I don't really donate anywhere lately except local food banks and stuff. Anyway, so I just used the Tombow markers on this, and these are the two stickers I used and three shells. And this says hello summer and sunny summer days. And then these are the three little sailboats that were napkins. And then on the back, here's the calendar. Some of the thinner washi just to help hold the calendar on. I just went over with Papermate Flair, the 2023. I don't know. And then these were two more of the same scraps of paper that I had. I had trouble cutting it, but it's just going to be for me. And then this up here is where I have the wide washi, which I didn't do a great job of cutting, but it's okay. Like I said, it's only for me. And in fact, I'll probably end up putting it in a journal, not like that, like this, so that it'll open and you can put receipts or whatever, you know, if I do or a planner, maybe in a planner. So anyway, that's what I did for my first one. I was thinking of folding it and then I just didn't. So by the time I did the stenciling, I don't think I had ever used that particular Dollar Tree round stencil. I have a couple more. One of them is butterflies and I know I used that, but I'm pretty sure I had never used the beachy one. There's also like a dolphin and I think there's actually a sailboat on there too, but I wanted to use the napkins. So I think it came out cute. Not real complicated or anything, but something different. And I have a lot of summer and beach stuff, but it just when I found those pieces of paper, I thought I really should do that this month. So I kept those particular scraps, and this is now what I showed you is I also have this, which I was going to try and use, but I didn't. So yeah, just the calendar and these scraps are what I have left. I'll put them, I have I have a little bin of summer stuff. I'll put them in there. And this one is out of a totally different paper pack. I don't know why I pulled that. Anyway, that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to go check out Penny's Crafty Creations. She'll be linked down below. And on her channel under her video today, she has listed other people that have been participating in the collab. And so next month, maybe my name will be added. Anyway, it was fun, something different, and I like altering envelopes, and I just happen to have several. Yeah. So let me know what you think. All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again Sunday. Bye for now.